Financial market news from GoldClays. September begins with markets weighing on tensions with Russia over energy prices. Europe is facing high natural gas and potential shortages as supplies from Russia dwindle, warns Emma Stevenson, investment writer at Schroders. Natural gas prices in Europe have multiplied 12-fold since a year ago after Russia cut its supply by 40% of Europe's needs. Nord Stream I is now undergoing a full 3-day maintenance shutdown that almost guarantees double-digit inflation and a recession in the UK and Europe later this year, said Ben Laidler, global market strategist at eToro, which analyzes the evolution of gas prices in Europe and how they could behave over the winter. German retail sales rose 1.9% in July compared to June, according to seasonally adjusted data published on Thursday by Destatis, as the country's statistics agency is known. The result was above the expectations of analysts consulted by the Wall Street Journal, who predicted a 0.3% increase in sales for the period. Compared to the same month last year, sales in the German retail sector contracted by 2.6% in July, said Destatis. The final reading was below the preliminary August estimate and the forecast of analysts polled by the Wall Street Journal of 49.8 in both cases. Reddit co-founder company launches $177 million cryptocurrency fund. 776, the venture capital firm of Reddit co-founder Alexis Ohanian, plans to raise $177.60 million for a new cryptocurrency-focused fund called Cryptos. Now is potentially a unique opportunity to invest in strong fundamentals at a discount, he said. Cryptos is set to acquire leading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, at a discount, citing the market downturn as an opportunity to enter the industry. It is in promotion. Everything is for sale, Caitlin Holloway, founding partner, told the information. Bitcoin, BTC, closed the month of August down, which reached 13% by the end of yesterday, and September is already starting in the same vein. The cryptocurrency dawns this Thursday, down 1.3% to $19,926.51, therefore operating close to the critical level of $19,800, considered an important price support. For some analysts, a loss of this level could mean a sharper pullback towards the June lows in the $17,500 region. Ethereum, ETH, is also trading at a loss today and topping $1,551 after dropping 1.5%. In the last 30 days, the second most valuable crypto is down 1.6% against 12.3% for Bitcoin. Bitcoin mining farms in oil wells in Russia account for 85 megawatts (MW) of power capacity, experts have estimated. Investors are considering projects for another 200 megawatts, despite restrictions stemming from Western sanctions, a report reveals. These farms are supplied with electricity generated by small power plants that burn associated petroleum gas, APG, a byproduct of extracting the commodity, which all companies are required to discard. Russian wheat exports are expected to rise to 4 million tons in September from 3.5 million tons in August as the record crop begins to hit the market, traders and industry analysts said. Supplies from the world's biggest wheat exporter will still be low compared to September last year as it struggles with shipments from Europe and Ukraine, a strong ruble and logistics and payment problems caused by Western sanctions imposed on Moscow, they added. Russian exports dropped 27% in July-August, the first 2 months of the 2022-23 trading season, consultancy Sovcon reported. The level is the lowest for those months since 2017-18, he added. Iron ore closed lower on the Dalian Stock Exchange on Thursday, canceling gains made earlier, as it was pressured by concerns about new COVID-19 restrictions and problems in China's real estate sector, which affect demand for ferrous metals. The top-traded iron ore contract for January delivery on China's Dalian Commodity Exchange ended trading down 1.2% at 675.50 yuan, $97.88 ton. The most active October contract for the steel ingredient on the Singapore Stock Exchange fell 4.3% to $96.25 a ton. One of the main criticisms of Bitcoin, BTC, is that the cryptocurrency consumes a large amount of energy, contributing to the increase in carbon emissions due to its mining process that demands a large amount of electricity. However, a recent study conducted by Bitcoin research firm Bitcoins revealed that this is not the case. According to the data presented by the study, 62% of the Bitcoin network has zero carbon emissions. That's because the percentage of mining operators using carbon-negative energy sources is growing. Being a carbon-negative source means it goes beyond carbon neutrality. That is, the source removes more carbon from the atmosphere than it emits, compensating in addition to the total amount emitted. Cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com has withdrawn from a 5-year, $495 million sponsorship deal with the UEFA Champions League, European football's elite competition. According to news and data analysis website Sport Business, the deal would see Crypto.com take over from Russian state oil company Gazprom, whose contract was cancelled in March after Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The deal with Crypto.com, in turn, would have been cancelled by the exchange, according to the portal, due to regulatory concerns in the UK, France and Italy, with legal issues surrounding the scope of their licenses to trade and operate cryptocurrencies. This Thursday, a fundamental month for Ethereum began. In just 15 days, the network will receive the new update The Merge, which has gained new support. The OpenSea NFTs platform has stated that it will only support Ethereum. This means that the platform will only trade and store NFTs created on the Ethereum network with proof of stake, POS, consensus. That is, tokens created on networks resulting from hard forks will not be supported by OpenSea. OpenSea published a new update on Wednesday, 31, confirming the information. According to the text, the platform states that financial market news from GoldClays.